Hey guys, welcome to VidiKit channel. Today, in this video, I'll teach you how to record VRchat easily with Joyoshare VidiKit. First, install Joyoshare VidiKit and run it on your computer. Select record and choose screen recorder. You can turn on the microphone to grab your sound from the microphone and customize the system audio. Confirm record video and audio mode so that you can capture screen and sound at the same time. Click the options button to reset recording settings. Here, you can change storage location and output video format. When you change the format, you can tap the gear icon at the top right corner to specify codec, quality, resolution according to your intention. You are able to set watermark and change its position, scale, and transparency as you want. The buttons like the record time option, shortcuts and cursor options in this powerful panel are also available for you. Hit the triangle button to select the standard recording area and click the rectangle button to customize the recording area by dragging and dropping the blue frame. After confirming your recording area, get your VRchat ready and press the rec button to start recording. The minimized toolbar is used to skip, stop and cut unwanted content as you want. Once you have done your recording, it allows you to edit and rename your well-recorded videos.
You're a dirty boy.
So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.